fish in my micro oven grill. I have already marinated the fish over here. I have put silver foil tin on the grill. Now I am going to cook it. I am going to use grill combo and I am going to use C3. Now I am going to keep it for 8 minutes. See if it's done. Whoa, it looks really nice. It must be done. Let me taste it now. Ooh, it's really hot. Really tasty. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Goodbye.